This is Crewe station. You can see that we've got to run quite a way through the station now with the next green signal. That, incidentally, was the site of the old Crewe South steam shed, where that pile of ballast was. This is the diesel depot here at Crewe. The electric depot is around on the Chester Road. We don't see anything of that. We're going through number 2 road, and there's 47s, and there's 25s, and electric locos all over the place. One named Robin Hood there. Well, up until recently, there was a few of the Class 87s all done out in the new livery there. The lines to the left lead to Chester, the lines to the right lead to Manchester, and the line straight down is the one we're taking, which either goes straight through on the North Road to Glasgow, or, where we are concerned, we are going onto the left for Liverpool. On the left here is where the Crewe Works was. This is the area of Crewe Works. Thank you for travelling with us on this journey through Crewe railway station back in 1985. We hope you've enjoyed this nostalgic trip into the days of classic British railways, vintage locomotives, and the atmosphere of a bygone era. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to see even more rare railway footage, historic journeys and memories from days gone by. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next journey down the line.